this video I'll show you guys how to make WWE 2K25 run smoother by fixing lag, shattering and low FPS issues. So just press in page up key and go to options and go to extras and go to graphics settings. Texture quality set this to standard and VSync set to no and shadow quality set to low and audience density set this to 0, or if you want then you can set to 10 or 20. 0 is best. WWE 2K games heavily use CPU and GPU. Lowering these settings gives immediate performance gain. Just press the spacebar to save these settings. And let's move on to the method 2. Method 2, open up File Explorer and go to Documents. Open the WWE 2K25 folder, right click on Config and select Edit in Notepad. Audience density set this to 0 and shadow set this to 0. Texture quality set to 0 and resolution set this to height 720, width 1280, and just scroll down and you can able to see windowed. In our case it will be no. Set to yes and select file and select save, and these settings will be saved. This forces low settings even if the game doesn't apply changes. Now launch the game and the game will be in window mode. Method 3, you just need to update your GPU driver. To do this, open the graphics software and go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update, download and install the latest version of a driver. And in my case I am using NVIDIA app. And the method 4, go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select add desktop app option and navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, select the game application file and select add option. And the game has been added to this list. Select the game and GPU preference, click on the drop down and set this to high performance. This prevents Windows from using power saving mode. Then just close tab here and open the task manager. Before you start the game, you just need to close browser, Discord, Xbox Game Bar, Steam Overlay and RGB or any other recording software. Just close all these things. This will reduce CPU plus RAM usage and gives you smoother gameplay. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.